What's up, guys? Today I'll be talking about a beginner's guide on how you can add thumbnails or featured image to any of your WordPress content, that is your WordPress post, and of course how you can also add a featured image to the sidebar of your website as well. So guys, I'll be talking about what exactly is a featured image or a post thumbnails. I want you guys to follow this video from the beginning to the end, so you don't miss any important point in this tutorial. So you need to know that featured image are also known as post thumbnails, and they are well known WordPress feature that is supported by most WordPress themes. So they are the primary image for your blog post or your blog content. So the image you see in the blog homepage are close to one post or another post is actually a featured image. That is before you open the post. So I'm going to show you guys an example in this tutorial. So they are often seen next to the heading of your home page and social media. So, and all popular WordPress themes come with this inbuilt support that allows a featured image. So now let me talk about beginner's guide on how you can set this up. So featured image are WordPress theme features. Almost all WordPress template or WordPress themes in the internet comes with the privilege to add featured image, which can make your post very beautiful in your blog. So they can also help you build user engagement as well, and can also increase page views. Search engines and social media website may also use your images and display them in search results. So mostly featured images are used for blog posts, but you can also set featured image for pages and of course for other custom pages or posts in your website. Featured image, you need to understand that it is not the same as the cover image, so there is a big difference between the two. So we'll talk about the difference between the featured image and cover image in the next tutorial. So now let's talk about how you can add a featured image. So the first thing is to make sure you are logged in into your WordPress. So you have to put in the correct username or email and put in the correct password. Then you click on login. So now once you are logged in, you need to go to the post editor. So if you want to create a new post and add a featured image, you have to click on add new post. So we are going to be using an existing post for this tutorial, but it's the same process. So you have to click on all posts and then you wait for the page to load. So now we are going to be picking one of the posts here as an example. So I'm going to use the first one here, which is this one. So we'll click on edit. So once you have to wait for the page to finish loading. So once the page has finished loading, when you scroll down on the right side of the screen, you're going to find featured image. As you can see here, this is the featured image of this post, and the featured image is actually one of the images in the post content. So I can decide to remove this featured image and add a new one. So to remove this featured image, all you need to do is to click on this button here that says remove a featured image. So you can see the featured image has been removed. So now the next thing is to add a new featured image. So if you are creating a new content, this place will be empty, there will be nothing here. So you may be wondering why there is a two featured image here. This one is actually a plugin that allows uploading featured image from URL. So the name of this plugin is featured image from URL, which I will talk about in some other tutorial. But for this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to get featured image from your post content or even from your device. So to set a new featured image, just click on this button here that says set featured image. So it's going to bring out this page. So you are going to pick, if you already have the images in your device, you have to go to this first option here that says upload files. So once you are at this very point, you have to click on select files to pick a particular image from your device, whether you are using a computer or a smartphone. But always make sure that you pick a featured image that is related to your post content. So I recommend, if you have images in your post already, you can see there are some images here already, so you can pick one of them and use as a featured image. So, but make sure the featured image aligns with your post content. So you can see this post, the title is orange kid recipe walnut shaped cookie. So you can decide to get a featured image that is related to this title, or a walnut featured image, or if you have images already in the post, you can pick one of them. You can see this one is related to the post title. This is a walnut, so you can pick this one and use as the featured image. So guys, that's basically how you can add a featured image or post thumbnails to your WordPress post. You can see that it is very easy. So guys, I'm going to be dropping this video right now, so I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.